What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SOFI stock, an absolutely insane day inside of the market. We had the Fed come out and do another rate cut. This is going to be massive tailwinds for SOFI coming in the Q4 quarter. We already got the 50, another 25. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is going to be the mega quarter. You thought Q3 was a blowout, which I did. Q4, we are going for the $100 million profitability with, potentially 25 to 35%, compounded growth, guys. This is going to be the mega quarter. I'm telling you right now, the whales have already been loading this stock up behind the scenes for the past, 3 months. We've seen the stock rip up from $7 to the $12 level. We thought we were going to consolidate at the $10 level. Guys, we're consolidating around the $12 level this past week. We have not sold off after our earnings report. We have not dumped like the last 4 quarters of earnings. We are literally moving higher and higher every single week. I told you guys this quarter was going to be different, and look, it was different because we had the 4 quarters in a row of profitability. SoFi is set to enter the S&P 500 once we break the $18 range. And I'm going to be showing you what the whales are doing, each and every single week when the institutional ownership updates come in. So, guys, we're going to be following the top 10 whales. And as of right now, we have one whale to officially come in and give their updated holding. And we are going to show you what that whale did behind the scenes. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,500 likes. Be sure to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. Where do you see this stock going? Do you think this stock is going higher? Where do you see the stock by Christmas? Drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and get the channel past 20,000 subs. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, as you can see right now, the SoFi stock finished the day at $11.95. If you just look at the price action, there is just so much accumulation happening. Every time the stock pumps, it gets shorted on a sell-off. Retail gets cleaned out. Just look at the price action, guys. We hit, 12.10, went under 12 one time, over 12, under 12 a second time, over 12, under 12 a third time, under 12 a fourth time, over 12, 12 a fifth. So freaking 6 times going over and under $12 inside of the market. That is absolutely insane. I really think something big is about to happen. I called this a couple of weeks ago prior to earnings, and we had a massive move out of nowhere. We got 3 green days in a row, and we're going to be looking at the big wheel. You can already see it right here, the confirmation of dimensional fund. Look at the price action the past 3 days, guys. Just green, green, green. We didn't get that, crazy big green day like a lot of the fintech and also legacy banks, but hey, we're still moving up green every day. So that is showing signs of strength. Remember, we're also showing signs of strength with back-to-back green days, with ARK dumping almost 500,000 shares yesterday inside of the market. You can see right here, ARK, Kathy Woods is selling out. We don't know exactly why. Tax purposes, I'm not exactly sure, but I've seen her sell Palantir at the very, very bottom and buy it back after it doubled to triple. Just absolutely insane, the way these guys are trading right now. But hey, ARK is dumping 500,000 shares, and the SoFi continues to pound green after green after green day. I'm telling you right now, I really think a big move is about to happen in the next, 2 weeks or so. There's going to be a really big move. And here it is, guys. The super whale is here. Breaking news. This is the first whale that I've found. We're looking for 10 updates. This is the first update. Dimensional Fund Advisors LP increases ownership by 88%. Guys, this is not fund rebalancing, index rebalancing. You don't see indexes, rebalance 88%. This is a whale going after SoFi shares dramatically. Total shares now equal 24.7 million. This is a super ultra whale, guys. This is huge news of why the SoFi stock is ripping up $7 to $12. You're going to see more buys come in now that the elections are solidified, now that we got more rate cuts. I'm telling you right now, once we clear out these options chain, which you have to realize a lot of people are buying those call options for SoFi 1, 2, 3 weeks out. Once we clear all those out and they all, expire, I'm telling you right now, this thing is going to rip up prior to the Q4 earnings. We're going to get a massive rip before we even get there. We might see the exact same thing happen again, sell off on the earnings report. But hey, if you move up 50% before earnings report, who gives a crap? And here are the top 10 holders. Once again, we got Vanguard, BlackRock, Silver Lake, State Street, Geode, Morgan Stanley, Norges, Dimensional Fund, ARK Invest, and Eco Assets. So guys, look, Dimensional Fund was the 8th largest holder. Look at this, 13 million shares. Okay, they were the 8th largest holder. Now they have jumped up to 24 million shares. This takes them higher than Norges, higher than Morgan Stanley, higher than Geode, higher than State Street, right behind Silver Lake. These guys are now the 4th largest holder of the SOFI stock. Look what one whale did in just one little quarter, guys. Absolutely insane. 10 million shares bought in the past 90 days. You're going to continue to see this just like I expected. And here we go, guys. Here is the options chain. Remember, a lot of these options were because of earnings, people just playing out 1, 2, 3 weeks. And, these are the options that get destroyed the fastest. We got November 8th this week, guys. We got 162,000 calls. I don't see the stock going over 1250 probably, and these are going to get wiped out, everything under 1250. And then next week we have one more big week, 250,000 in calls, 250,000 in puts. But guys, after we get by this week and next week, just take a look at what I'm seeing. 29,000, 33,000, 13, 1,000, 70,000, 0. We got nothing on the horizon until January 17th. I mean, that's a while away. You got November, December, half of January, 3 months out. So once we clear these 2 big weeks, I'm telling you, we could go on that massive rip like we saw SoFi do, the past 90 days. So I don't really see too much upside this week. We could have a big pump tomorrow, possibly, or a little sell-off, whatever. Next week is going to be the big week you want to get past, guys. 250,000 in calls. You can see what the whales are doing behind the scenes. Once we clear these calls, I'm telling you right now, we can go a lot higher from here. And as you guys can see, Upstart right now is up 16% on the day. Take a look at their earnings report and understand, guys, this company as of right now is officially a $6 billion market cap company, $6 billion. The company reported 162 million in revenue, 20% growth, nowhere near SoFi's growth as of last quarter. Net income, they're still losing $7 million. Adjusted EBITDA, $1 million. I mean, for SoFi to be trading at 12 billion and a company like this trading at 6 billion, I think SoFi could double from here to 24 billion market cap, guys. Be a stock around $24. Okay, I mean, this is absolutely ridiculous. The valuation that Upstart's getting with these types of numbers. I mean, SoFi's doing literally 5 times revenue, 180 times the EBITDA, positive 70 million net income. This is just an absolute joke. SoFi's fee-based revenue just last quarter was literally $170 million, bigger than Upstart's entire business as a whole. It just shows you that the market does not understand SoFi yet, but you can see what some of the whales are doing behind the scenes, and you're going to continue to see these ads come in. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.